हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय मेपल फैमिली। तो आज हम बात करने वाले हैं एक क्यू कार्ड टॉपिक के बारे में। इफ़ यू नो अबाउट क्यू कार्ड्स यूजुअली आते हैं आपके आइल्स स्पीकिंग टेस्ट में। सेकंड पार्ट होता है आइल्स स्पीकिंग टेस्ट का, जो कि बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट होता है फ्रेंड्स, एंड यूजुअली यू गेट डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स फॉर दैट। तो आज का हमारा टॉपिक जो हम लेने वाले हैं और जो मैं ऐसा प्रिडिक्ट करती हूँ कि ये हमेशा इस तरह का कोई ना कोई टॉपिक आइल्स स्पीकिंग में ज़रूर आता है, दैट इज़ अबाउट कार्स। तो जब भी हम बात करते हैं कार्स की तो आपको किसी भी तरह का टॉपिक आ सकता है। जैसे आपसे पूछ सकते हैं दैट डिस्क्राइब योर ड्रीम कार, या फिर आपसे पूछ सकते हैं दैट डिस्क्राइब द फर्स्ट व्हीकल दैट यू एवर बॉट और योर फादर बॉट, और द फर्स्ट व्हीकल दैट यू रिमेंबर। तो उसमें भी आप कार के बारे में बात कर सकते हैं, राइट। सो वेन एवर यू हैव टू टॉक अबाउट कार, what kind of vocabulary words you should use, क्योंकि क्या होता है कि ये थोड़ी सी लिमिटेड vocabulary हो जाती है। इस पे हमें लगता है कि हम क्या बात करें इस बारे में, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मैं कितना एक्सप्लेन कर लूँगी एक कार के बारे में। तो उससे रिलेटेड कुछ टाइप्स ऑफ कार्स के बारे में हम बात कर सकते हैं, या डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ माई कार, अपनी जो आपकी कार है उसकी डिफरेंट पार्ट्स के बारे में आप बात कर सकते हैं। तो उससे रिलेटेड vocabulary वर्ड्स के बारे में आज हम इस वीडियो में बात करने वाले हैं। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं। Okay, friends. So, as I was just telling you that whenever we talk about the cars, usually people know that, okay, we can talk about vehicles or automobiles and cars, etc. But they lack the basic vocabulary which they should use whenever there is a topic related to the cars. So, in today's video, we are just going to find out a few types of cars, like the one that you can see on your screen is about the hatchback. Okay, so this car, which is a micro car or a small car, as we can see, is also called as the hatchback. So while explaining that what's your dream car, or which was the first car that you bought or your father got, you can tell that it was a hatchback. So you're basically describing the type of the car, right? So when you're talking about the types, one could be the hatchback. Next could be the sedan. As you can see the difference, that hatchback is a small car which has very little boot space. Boot space is the space at the last, at the back, whereas sedan has a huge boot space where you keep your luggage, right? So these are the different types of cars. Then we will also talk about the different parts of the cars that you can talk about whenever there's a topic about cars in your IELTS exam. So here this one is called a sedan. It's a long car, as you can see, and it has a lot of boot space, as I just told you, and it is meant to keep a lot of luggage. Okay. Next could be a convertible. Like if they are asking you about your dream car, you can talk about a convertible car. So as the name itself suggests, that it is a convertible car which can be converted, right? So usually it can have a rooftop which can be converted into this kind of a car, wherein you can adjust the roof. If you want to put the roof, that can be done. If you want to remove the roof, it can also be done. Usually you find these cars as very luxurious cars. So you can mention that I dream to have a convertible car which would be of some luxurious brand. And if you are not aware of the different brands of car, you must also try to find them out, and also you should also know the names of different brands which actually provide you with convertible cars if you want to talk about it, right? Next is an SUV, as you can see, and this kind of a car is usually meant for traveling purposes, and people, these are actually off-roading cars also, which are very comfortable while you are traveling, because they have this powerful engine which will help you travel smoothly despite the broken roads or potholes etc. सो ये कार्स उनके लिए होती हैं जो ट्रैवल पर्पसेस के लिए जाते हैं यूजुअली। और ऑफ रोडिंग जिसको हम बोलते हैं, दैट मीन्स जो गड्ढे आते हैं या कहीं पर रोड टूटी हुई है, वहाँ पे आप ट्रैवल करना पसंद करते हैं। लाइक इफ़ यू लव टू go on hill stations, etc., then you use SUVs, right? So this is also another type of the cars that we're talking about. Next is, you can also talk about luxury cars. As I just mentioned, that luxury cars are usually convertible cars like the Porsche, BMW. These are some brands, okay, which provide you with luxury brands. These are super expensive cars. They are also called as supercars because they have a lot of quality features in them, and they have the ability to run really fast on the roads. They have a powerful engine to do that. So these also come in the category of the luxury cars. Okay, last but not the least could be the vintage cars. As we can say, vintage usually are the old but the very fashionable cars, the retro look cars also we can say. So some people have a fascination towards the vintage cars, and they love and enjoy keeping vintage cars. Many people who are rich and royal, they tend to keep these cars as just a fashion statement. So vintage cars are also available whenever you want to explain. For example, if you want to say that your grandfather owned a vintage car and we still have it, we still own it. So these words basically I have brought today, these vocabulary words just for your understanding, that अगर आपको कोई आइल्स का ऐसा टॉपिक आता है कार से रिलेटेड या किसी व्हीकल से रिलेटेड, तो आप कार्स के बारे में क्या बात करेंगे. अगर आपको वोकैबुलरी वर्ड्स नहीं पता है फ्रेंड्स, देन इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी रियली डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू टू एक्सप्लेन इन योर स्पीकिंग टेस्ट. एंड अगर आप नॉर्मली वर्ड्स यूज़ करके ही एक्सप्लेन कर देते हैं सिंपल लैंग्वेज में, देन यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू गेट गुड बैंड स्कोर. तो अच्छे बैंड लाने के लिए अगर आप इनमें से कुछ वर्ड्स यूज़ करते हैं, जैसे कि आप डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ कार्स एक्सप्लेन कर देते हैं, या कुछ स्पेसिफिक वर्ड्स लाइक द विंटेज कार या फिर कन्वर्टेबल, लग्जरी, इस तरह के वर्ड्स यूज़ करते हैं, तो डेफिनेटली यू विल बी वन बैंड अहेड ऑफ द नॉर्मल कॉन्वर्जेशन दैट यू हैव. लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट इज, अगर आपको एक्सप्लेन करना है अपनी व्हीकल को, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आपको सिर्फ ये टॉपिक दे दिया जाता है कि एक्सप्लेन how much why do you like your present or the current vehicle that you are using, for example, तो आप अपनी कार के बारे में बात कर सकते हैं कि वो किस तरह की कार है. तो उसमें आप ये डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द कार को भी एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं. जैसे कि आप बोल सकते हैं दैट माई कार हैज़ अ सन रूफ. People usually don't know what do we call that. Okay, so sunroof, side mirror, like you can say that side mirrors are adjustable, and the bonnet is automatically opened whenever I need to just press a button and it will open automatically. The rear view is also adjustable. There's a lot of boot space in my car. boot space होता है जिसमें हम लगेज रखते हैं. लेग स्पेस होता है जब हम पीछे बैठते हैं और जो लेग्स के बीच में हमें स्पेस मिलता है, राइट. So these are a few words that you can use to describe if you have to talk about any vehicle or automobile in your IELTS speaking test. I hope these vocabulary words are quite useful to us, and I also say that usually this kind of a topic related to the automobiles do come in your IELTS speaking test. So you should always remember or know the vocabulary words that you should use, and they should conveniently come to your mind. It's not that you will learn some very difficult words and you are not able to recall those words in your speaking test. This is something I keep telling you all the time. So I hope you liked the video and it brought some information, some important information to you. If you got any important information from my videos, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.